sun shines bright, the barn is red, the sky is light, the cow goes moo with a happy cheer, the sound of friends we love to hear. The horse runs fast with a mighty neigh, it trots along and loves to play, it shakes its mane and stomps the ground. Oh, what a joyful, playful sound. Oh, what a joyful, playful sound. The sheep says bah, so soft and sweet, it hops around on little feet. Its wool is fluffy, white like snow, it makes us giggle as we go. It makes us giggle as we go. The pig goes oink and rolls in mud, it wiggles round with a happy thud. It splashes big, it makes us smile. We'll play along for quite a while. We'll play along for quite a while. We'll play along for quite a while. The duck says quack by the pond so blue, it flaps its wings and waddles too. It swims around and dives for fun, shining feathers in the sun. With arms in the sun, they're both with China heads and feathers in